I spent many days to study the real nature, only this part of the painting, as if I have to really learn what is the answer from the nature that we are living here. And so you could have stronger and beautiful and hearts, love that is so strong for someone that is waiting out there for us. And we really have to heal to understand ourselves and our love really fulfilled before we share to others. That's what I get from this, only this part of the painting, and I feel like I was loved by someone, and being so overwhelmed of the feeling that he shared. And I don't know, I feel like I am most ready to start with a friendship relation with this man, and hopefully he will be the one that is like the missing piece of me somewhere. Someone, I know this guy for a few years, not long, and just like, yeah, it might be a day for me. I understand you, nature. Love you so much, my beautiful nature. Bye.